Question number 1. The particles of the medium vibrate in longitudinal waves. The right answer is option B, along the direction of wave motion. Question number 2. The particle of the medium vibrates in the transverse waves. The right answer is option A, at a right angle to the direction of wave motion. Question number 3. What does wave transmit from one place to another? The right answer is option D, energy. Question number 4. The wave in which particle of the medium vibrate at a right angle to the direction of wave motion is known as. The right answer is option C, transverse waves. Question number 5. The wave in which particle of the medium vibrate in the direction of the wave motion are called. The right answer is option B, longitudinal waves. Question number 6. Representation of mechanical waves is. The right answer is option A, sound. Question number 7. The wave in which material medium is required for their propagation are known as. The right answer is option B, mechanical waves. Question number 8. Water waves are. The right answer is option B, transverse waves. Question number 9. There is a refill tank which is used to study the various forms of. The right answer is option B, wave phenomena. Question number 10. The elongation and compression are formed in. The right answer is option C, longitudinal waves. Question number 11. Which are mechanical waves? The right answer is option D, need medium. Question number 12. Energy become when the amplitude of wave becomes. The right answer is option A, fourth time. Question number 13. The distance between two consecutive trough or crust is known as. The right answer is option C, wavelength. Question number 14. Overdamping, gradual reduction of excessive oscillation is because of. The right answer is option C, equilibrium is never achieved. Question number 15. Natural frequency of a guitar string can be changed by changing its. The right answer is option D, length. Question number 16. In SHM, simple harmonic motion velocity at equilibrium position is. The right answer is option D, maximum. Question number 17. Maximum displacement from equilibrium position is. The right answer is option B, amplitude. Question number 18. Which one of the given cannot receive the ultrasonic? The right answer is Option B. Human being. Question number 19. Maximum displacement. Action of moving something from equilibrium position is. The right answer is option D. Amplitude. Question number 20. If time period of an oscillation is 0.4 second, what will be its frequency is? The right answer is option B. 5 Hz.